Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and you are here on SheModern Saturday. Today we got us a little bit of a haul, maybe a demo. I ordered two Smoky polishes from SheModern. They are the watercolor, I believe. So I'm going to get in there with those scissors to open the corner. And then here's the big ones. See what we bought. Oh, we got filler. Okay. How do we get in here? Oh, look at this. This is pretty cool. Look at this. This is kind of cool. I've never seen this before, but gotta save the bubble wrap for future packaging. Here is, get this out of the way. We have got our order from SheModern. I ordered two Smoky, I believe they're called watercolors. Let's open them and find out. And of course, gracious Tina sent a few extras, as she always does. She takes care of her girls. Okay, here. Smoky. These are the two that I ordered, the white and black Smoky water ink polish. This is what I ordered, right here. Tina sent me, let's see, what did she send me? Watercolor. She sent me opaque green watercolor polish. These are all watercolors: red, black, white, and yellow. Gotta have the yellow. Thank you, Tina, so very much for sending me these. I'm having a brain fart. Oh shoot. Turn into all thumbs. So let's open our white and black. There's a perforated part in the back. Just reach behind it, tear it, pop it out. Where are we on time? I'm gonna try to demo these puppies today. I need some water. Let me get a little bit of water here in my dampened dish. And I'm going to need a brush. Whoops, that's not closed. I need my brush. Sorry for reaching in front of the camera. Shoot. Alright. I have a white and black nail off to the side here. There should be 2 metal balls in each. And you should be able to hear them shake. Shake. Okay, let's do, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Let me get me a little wiper too, set off to the side. Alright, got my brush, I have cleaned it. We have got our white, or not our white, our black Smoky water ink polish. I've not played, oh I got a wonky brush. little wonky brush. Dip my brush into the water. Dab, dab, dab. I'm wiping some of this off on my what do you call them? Country wipes. Have a total brain fart. Definitely too much black, did not need this much. You can always take some off. Just dab, dab, dab. The thinner it is, the quicker it will dry, of course, because it is water paint. Water polish. Water polish ink. So dab it up a little bit more, set this off to the side. Gonna clean my brush. Alright, we got our black nail now. We are going to use the white Smoky water ink. I'm going to give that another shake. Alright, alright, alright. Brush it again. Dab, dab. Oh yeah. Love, love, love the white Smoky. I'm all about this one. All about it. Now these do air dry. They are not gel, you do not stick them in the lamp. They totally air dry. I'm cleaning my brush off as I talk. They totally air dry, which is super cool. The thinner they are, the quicker they dry. Okay, okay, okay. Clean my brush. And there we go. There's our demos. Black is almost dry except for this tip here. Let me take that off. And there we go. Pretty cool, eh? Now, I'm trying to think. This is the blue jelly. I don't know if I can. It's a total demo, total experiment here, so don't judge me. I don't. Don't know if this is gonna work. Totally don't know if this is gonna work. What do you know? What do you know, Fred? Yeah, it looks pretty cool, don't you? Oh, these aren't smoky. This was a jelly. Oh, I shouldn't have done this probably. This is a jelly blue watercolor polish. Trial and error, you never know. So this is gonna sit to dry. Thin this out here a little bit at the tip. Just thin it out, thin it out. This is very liquidy here at the tip. A lot of water. So I'm going to let that one sit now. I'm going to clean my brush again. I love these. I love, love, love. Again, these are the blue and black Smoky water inks. You can get these at SheModern.com. Click on catalog and bam, there you are. Don't forget I am a brand ambassador for SheModern. You can use my code at any given time, NailedIt67, all caps. So once these dry, which this one's going to take a minute, so will this, we'll come back and I'll even top coat. Be back in just a jiffy. Alrighty, we are back. Our nails are finished. And we're going to top coat with SheModern's satin top coat. Love, love, love this. You can get this on the website as well. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. And once your watercolors are dry, that is it. You don't have to worry about them bleeding out or anything. Let's see the black one now. The white. Should have put a pigment on it. That's what I should have done. I love a smoky nail though. I think they are really cool. I'll put that in for 60. Do not forget about my giveaway that I have running until January. I draw twice a month for the white and black sticky stamping polishes, the set. To one lucky winner will win these. The rules are you must be 18 years of age or older. You must not have these products. If you've already had them and already tried them, then this isn't for you. You're overqualified. This is for somebody who has never tried SheModern products before, that is brand new to the game. If you're into stamping, this is for you. Regardless if you're just started or if you've been doing it for 20 years, this is for you. All you gotta do is enter under any SheModern Saturday video. Enter me. You must be USA only because I'm responsible for the shipping. So, and I can't afford international shipping. They say no way. This is our top coat, our satin top coat. Whoops. And these are our two satin top coated smoky nails. I think they're really cool looking. I'm loving them. I love this one the most. I love it on the black. Should use some pigments on it though. Yeah. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my demo today. My smoky white and black watercolor water ink polish. Leave me a comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything may come across my desk that I feel is important. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.